Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the experiences that I had in this past 4 or 5 days, which pushed me to speak about whatever I'm going to talk today. So before we start, I hope you all are doing very well. Stay safe and stay beautiful. So in the past, say 3 or 4 days, I realized that the quality of being human has become so rare these days. We're least bothered about what is happening to other people, to other souls whom we meet. We're just concerned about how our life is going and how and what we can do just for ourselves. We forget that we also hold responsibility towards the society that we live in, towards the environment that we have around us, towards each other, not just our parents or our friends, and maybe the colony that you live in. I feel being human shouldn't be a rare quality, right? Living in a world where life is unpredictable, things go wrong at times, people do mistakes, but all our relationships or maybe the professional aspects of our life, ये सब बाद में आता है. सबसे पहले और the most important thing that we should be focusing on is actually being sensitive enough to understand others' pain, to understand that people at times are suffering, and it is our moral responsibility towards them to at least attempt to reduce their suffering and their pain. अगर ह्यूमंस के बाकी ह्यूमंस के तरफ ही ह्यूमैनिटी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है तो एनिमल्स, ट्रीज, नेचर, this is the farthest thing. They come later in the list. So few days back I came across a lady who was not in a very good shape walking on the streets. So I tried to inform the police. I tried to do whatever I could from my end. But unfortunately the responses that I got were, जाऊ दे ना मॅडम, कदाचित ती काही वेडी असेल म्हणून कोणीतरी सोडून दिलं असेल, किंवा आपण काय करू शकतो ना, the only thing that we can do is look at her or just see how she's suffering. Really? That's a sad reality. That's a very sad reality. Tomorrow I could have been at her place. Some of my family members would have been at that person's place, and I was like, is this how I would like to be treated? The answer is no. Is this how I would like my parents to be treated? The answer is no. पण आपण अशा विचित्र अशा बबलमध्ये जगतो वेर वी फील की समोरच्या वरती आत्ता आलेली जी वेळ आहे ती कदाचित माझ्यावरती कधीच येणार नाही आहे. अँड that's such an irrational thought. So funny. So कधीच येऊ नये अशी माझी इच्छा आहे, पण खरंच कधीच येणार नाही याचा अश्युरन्स तर आपण नाही देऊ शकत. सो कॅन वी जस्ट forget or rather relearn or re-remember that we are humans. We need to treat people as humans who have emotions, who might have situations in their life. There might be things going on in their life. Can we talk to them politely? Can we do whatever we can in our control, or rather in our reach? More proper word is reach, to help and to make someone's life a little better. We claim that we live our life, right? Do we really live our life? Just thinking constantly about what I want in my life, or what I want to achieve in my life. Is this living life? It is so important to understand की मी एकटीच पुढे नाही जाऊ शकत. We have to take people who are there with us. We cannot just say की मी माझ्या पुरतं बघणार आणि that's fine, माझं भागतंय ना. पण फक्त माझंच भागतंय हे किती वर्ष करणार होतं आपण? I mean, have we really lost the sensitivity that made us human? I feel म्हणजे प्राणी पण एकमेकांची काळजी खूप चांगल्या उत्तम पद्धतीने घेतात, आणि आपण स्वतःला त्यांच्यापेक्षा खूप हुशार समजतो ना. मग आपण एकमेकांची काळजी का नाही घेऊ शकत? Is it difficult to talk to someone politely? Is it difficult to just lend a hand to someone? Get them back on their feet? Is it difficult? Are we so lost and so busy running behind things that we've started treating people also as things? आज हा माझ्याशी चांगला बोलतोय, मी ह्याच्याशी चांगलं बोलणार. उद्या हा माझ्याशी चांगलं नाही बोलत आहे, मला काहीच फरक पडत नाही तो आहे व्यक्ती माझ्या आयुष्यात की नाही. इतकं इन्सेन्सिटिव्ह आपण कधीपासून झालो, आणि मुळात का झालं? What do we get out of it? Satisfaction? Happiness? It's all temporary, right? पैसा, गाड़ी, घर आज है कल नहीं है. लोग हैं ना. Every life counts, right? So whether it's an animal life, whether it's a human life, every life counts. And if we don't hold this thought, do we really have the right to call ourselves human? I'm not saying the world is bad. No. The world is beautiful. It's a beautiful place. Our earth is amazing, wonderful. It's the most beautiful planet. What are we doing with this beautiful planet, with this beautiful life, with this beautiful environment? Are we really taking 100% responsibility of this beautiful life that we've got? Are we really contributing in someone's life, making it a little easier, making it a little happier? It's high time we think about this. So I want all of you who are watching this to please ask yourself, can I really be the human that I so claim to be? It's never too late to start. And all the things that are happening around, it's the most important thing to do. We all need love. We all want to feel safe. So just because I have four walls around me and someone else doesn't, I'm just lucky, right? So please think about it. Do take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Maybe when we actually start remembering that we're human, life will really be amazing. This experience on earth will be wonderful. So thank you. Please think about it. Share it with people and check, are we really contributing? Thank you so much.